This is the Viru Hotel in Tallinn in Estonia. And during the last Soviet occupation, they installed a special series of rooms on the 23rd floor, although the hotel allegedly only had 22 floors. In the 23rd floor was a listening room, an operations room and offices that was used exclusively by the KGB, because they had fixed microphones and spying devices in 60 of the hotel's rooms. And there is a museum there now which you can visit. It costs about €11. The tour takes about an hour. It's certainly well worth looking at it, and I would recommend, if you're here, it sort of helps to paint an additional picture of what Tallinn was like during the Soviet period.